Let's fix store error 0x80072ee7 error on Windows 10. In the first step, go to search bar and type services. Then click here to open it. It will open services window. On this window, you need to search for Windows Update. Then right click on it and select Properties. In the startup type, select Automatic. Then click on Apply and then OK. Now close this window. In the next step, go to search bar and type CMD. Right click here and select Run as Administrator. Then select S. Now type prompt and hit enter. Then type sfc/scan file equal to c:/windows/system32/ieframe.dll and hit enter. Then type sfc/verify file equal to c:/windows/system32/ieframe.dll and hit enter. Then type assoc and hit enter. That's it guys, your problem will be solved and you're good to go.